Yeah, oh, that's closed too. Ah. Closed? Okay. All right. Oh, don't tell me that way is closed too. Oh, that way takes me to Canaan. Oh, fuck no. Oh, shit. Fuck me. At least I'm not the only one insane enough to take this way home. That's actually a good sign, because at least between here and 44, if the road's closed, there was no way in hell he would have been able to make a U-turn on a road this narrow. Don't run into it. Did they hit? Come on, get out of the mud. Get out of the mud. Oh, that was a near accident. That white truck. Yeah, I got no cell reception either, so it's not like I can call 911. Ah, 44 is closed. And you're going to detour everyone up the street with the big tree limb blocking like 3/4 of the street. That would have been a straight shot to get home. Urgh! No, let's not detour traffic onto 44. That's an actual highway instead of a bumfuck country road. No. Yeah, this is the state I live in. Thank you very much. Oh, look at that. Why did the chicken cross the road? Why not? This video is gonna have everything in it. Oh no. That's just great. Looks like I'm going to have to turn around again. Fan this wide, I need like to do a 29-point turn to not against Powerlines. Oh, don't tell me that car's attempting it. You're nuts. That branch is against Powerlines. Well, they made it. Sorry, chickens. Yeah, this is where we saw the chickens earlier. Oh, don't tell me. That one limb looks like it's about to fall over. Oh! Not again! I mean, you think people live on this street, that they could block this and say, hey, no one can come down here. You know, there's power lines across the road. Yeah. Alright. Great, thanks. When every single other road is jammed up. I just want to get to Torrington. I feel your pain. Alright, if I make this right. No more GPS, just use the force. For the next 2 miles, there better not be any fucking tree limbs across the fucking highway or the roadway. I don't care. I will bulldoze it myself. I will ram it. Yeah, it's called the ram, so I can ram into tree branches. Fuck yeah, motherfuckers. Again, if they would have blocked off 272 and have everyone go down 44, this whole thing could have been avoided. The last 20 minutes could have been avoided. No. I'm about ready to cry. This is nuts. Great, I'm taking a dirt road. That better not be across the road. The road curves to the left, so hopefully it's... No! Fucking A. Alright, that was sketchy. I drove over a live wire, probably. Oh my god! I don't care. At this point, I don't care. I gotta go this way. Oh, shit. Maybe he was trying to signal me. No, because it'll get stacked in my... That's a first. Let's hope it doesn't take the paint off. No! Oh. Let me see. Come on. Holy fuck. Cleared it.
Is it closed?
I barely made it through.
You're not making it that way. And you're not making it that way. So I wish you luck.
I just want to get...
I've been driving for 4 hours right now.
I've been driving for 2. I mean, I came down here originally from 44 trying to get to Torrington.
Where are you trying to go right now?
I'm trying to get I'm trying to get on 44 to head east.
It's all closed.
Really? There's down tree limbs, huh?
No cell phone service.
Yeah.
Trees and lines down there too.
Well, I'm gonna try to get to Winstead and see if I can get.
I can't even get to fucking Winston anyway. What's down this way? Where does this way go?
Let me see. There's a whole bunch of down tree limbs that I barely made it.
Ramsville goes to 44.
Yeah, but there's a down tree limb across the street just when you get to 44. There's a dirt road to the left that has a down tree limb, and like virtually every side road to the right has a down tree limb. Huh?
You can't get around the tree at the end?
Nope. Yeah, even DOT's at that one, trying to clear it out. Huh?
272 is closed.
Yeah.
Everywhere's closed.
Yeah, this is just great. I know. Hey, look! Look familiar? We're back in Norfolk. And nope, that street's not blocked off yet. And there's no power here. Wonderful. Let's watch people fail at four-way stops at traffic lights. Oh, the guy ahead of me has it right. Nope. Nope.
Yeah. You have to get a different tide.
Okay. Nope. Yeah, at least the guy beside me got it. Okay. Alright, everybody, the power's out. What do we do at traffic lights that are out? You stop! Oh my god. I hate it when, like, I'm the only one following the law. It's funny how the solar power thing works. That's the only thing that with electricity that's running around here. Oh, look, they actually have stop signs at this one. So everyone. So I guess the law is ignore the traffic. Apparently, people ignore the burnt out traffic lights unless there's stop signs set up. I give up. And that was a run. Holy shit. Everyone's at McDonald's. What would you expect from Winston? I've never seen a McDonald's line that long in ages. Oh hell, I'm going for it. I don't care. And there we go. Who honked at who? You see, kids, running red lights are dangerous. I should know.